Let's get right into it. You might think the ground beneath your feet is solid and boring. You probably think Earth is just a... But right now, at this very second, terrifying and amazing things are happening to our planet that almost... We are talking about new oceans being born, invisible hurricanes made of plasma. Today, we are digging deep to uncover the top 10 things happening to Earth right now. Number 10, a new ocean is being born. Right now, the continent of Africa is literally tearing itself apart. I don't mean politically, I mean physically. In Ethiopia, a massive crack has opened up in the ground. Scientists call this the Afar Triangle. It is basically Earth's construction site for a brand new ocean. Deep underground, a massive plume of hot rock is pushing up, acting like a giant blowtorch trying to crack the continent open from below. It is happening slowly, about the speed your fingernails grow. But give it a few million years. We are the first humans in history to watch a continent split in real time. It's like watching Earth renovate its living. Number 9, space hurricanes. You know regular hurricanes? Wind, rain. Imagine a hurricane made of plasma, electrified gas hotter than the surface of the sun, spinning right above the north. These things are massive. They are 600 miles wide. That is, instead of water, they rain down electrons. It is a giant particle shower that can knock out GPS and mess with satellites. The crazy part, we only discovered them in 2021. They have been happening forever, and we had no idea. So next time you see the Northern Lights, remember, you might actually be looking at the aftermath of a supersonic space hurricane. Number 8, the hidden ocean. Scientists just found something mind-blowing hiding under our feet. About 400 miles down, there is a massive reservoir of water. And when I say massive, I mean it holds 3 times more, but you can't swim in it. The water is trapped inside a blue crystal called ringwoodite. It acts like a super sponge for water molecules. It's not a liquid ocean, it's wet rock. But there is enough water down there to drown It is like finding out your house has had a secret Olympic-sized swimming pool in the basement this whole time, and you never knew. Number 7, silent earthquakes. Regular earthquakes are loud and violent. Crash, bang, done. But silent earthquakes are sneaky. They release the same amount of massive energy, but they take days, weeks, or even... Entire cities can slide several inches, and nobody feels a thing. We only found out because GPS satellites notice the ground moving. These happen a lot in the Pacific Northwest. Scientists are worried. Are these slow quakes releasing pressure safely? You might be in the middle of an earthquake right now, at this very second, and you won't know it until next week. Number 6, dark lightning. Flying through a storm is scary enough, but there is an invisible danger hiding. It is called dark lightning. It doesn't produce visible light, but it blasts out powerful gamma radiation. Getting hit by 1 bolt gives you the same radiation dose as 100 chest x-rays in less than a millisecond. Inside storm clouds, electrons get accelerated to nearly the speed of light. When they crash into air molecules, it happens about 1,000 times a day. If you are a frequent flyer, you might have been... Number 5, the global hum. Imagine a low, distant rumble, like a truck idling outside your house. You look outside, nothing there. You go to the basement, still there. It follows you everywhere. This is the... Only about 2% of people can hear it. It drives them crazy. Some have even moved to the middle of nowhere to escape it. But the sound... Scientists have been studying it since the 1950s. Microphones can't pick it up. It seems to be happening inside people's heads. It is like having a neighbor playing bass guitar at 3 a.m. forever, and the neighbor's invisible. Number 4, the South Atlantic anomaly. Earth has a magnetic shield that protects us from space radiation. It's our bullet, but there is a massive dent in the shield growing over South America in the Atlantic Ocean. Astronauts call it the Bermuda Triangle of space. When the ISS flies through, that is cosmic radiation literally hitting their eyeballs because the shield is too weak to stop it. Some think this means Earth's magnetic poles are about to flip. North becomes south. Number 3, the day is getting shorter. We assume a day is exactly 24 hours, but Earth, it is spinning faster. On June 29, 2022, Earth... Why? Maybe melting ice caps are changing Earth's weight. For you, losing 1 millisecond is nothing. But for computers, it is. We usually ADD seconds, leap seconds, to slow clocks down. Now we might have to remove a sec. We have never done this before. It could crash the internet. Number 2, underwater mountain building. In 2018, the island of Mayotte off Africa started moving. Then came the earthquakes, 17,000 of them in a few months. Residents were terrified. What they found was shocking. In a place that used to be flat seafloor, a massive volcano had appeared out of nowhere. It grew half a mile high in just 6 months. That is like Earth building 2 Empire State Buildings underwater in record time. It turns out Earth can just decide to build a massive volcano whenever and wherever it wants. Number 1, the iron snow. Deep beneath your feet, in the Earth's core, it is snowing, but not white fluffy snow. It is snowing heavy iron crystals. The outer core is a giant soup of molten metal. As it cools, imagine a snow globe, but 4,000 miles wide, filled with liquid metal and iron flakes falling from. Here's the problem. The snow is uneven. The Western Hemisphere is getting more snow than the East. The piles are lopsided. This lopsided pile of iron is messing with Earth's magnetic field, the only thing keeping us safe from the sun. We worry about weather up here, but the real storm is happening 2,000 miles down. So Earth isn't just a dead rock. It is moving, cracking, snowing. It's a little scary to think about what's happening right under our chairs, but it's also pretty cool. Which of these Earth facts blew your mind the most? Are you worried about the space hurricanes or the iron snow? Let me know in the comments below. And if you hear a low humming sound, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories about our. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.